Hi students, in this class we are going to see very important relation, Stephen Boltzmann's law. According to Stephen Boltzmann's law, energy per unit area per unit time, mc power E already discussed. Energy power of a black body is proportional to temperature power 4. Proportional to temperature power 4. So this can be written as, instead of proportionality symbol, we can write EB is equal to sigma T power 4. Sigma T power 4. The sigma is called Boltzmann constant. Stephen Boltzmann constant. The value of sigma is 5.67 into 10 power minus 8 joules per. See, what is energy? EB. Okay, EB is nothing but energy per unit time per unit area. Energy per unit time I can write it as Q. Q9. Energy per unit area unit time as H by T. So this I discussed in the previous classes why it is H. Energy Q by T is nothing but H I discussed. So it is H by T is what? H by A. H by A it becomes. Okay. So when H by A is nothing but watt by, to write the units properly, watt by meter square, and temperature it goes to other side, K power Kelvin power 4. This is the unit for sigma. Okay, joules you can write as joule per second, meter square, and Kelvin power 4. This is the value of sigma. What is the emissivity we discussed? Emissivity is nothing but energy emitted by a body, energy emitted by normal body by emissive power by black body is nothing but emissive power epsilon. Emissive power epsilon. E normal body is equal to, we can write E epsilon into E black body. Energy emitted by black body I can write here BB, black body, because body and normal body, black body, if you write can get confusion. So it is equal to epsilon into energy emitted by black body sigma into T power 4. Energy emitted by normal body is equal to. So this is the relation. Epsilon is 1 for whom? 1 for black body. For completely perfect black body, E is epsilon is equal to 1. So this epsilon is this is how we discussed. And how the temperature energy will be flow in the radiation. Say a body at a temperature T somewhere here, it emits radiation, and some other place and a body at a temperature T0. So generally there is a temperature gradient is required for energy to transfer. When it comes to energy transfer, what is the formula for energy transfer? So E normal body is equal to E sigma into T power 4 minus T0 power 4. So here, from here, how much energy is released? Sigma epsilon naught T power 4. How much energy is received? Sigma epsilon naught sigma T0 power 4. So energy emitted, and if we write only, it is equal to what? H by A is equal to sigma E T power 4 minus T0 power 4. The H will be equal to sigma A epsilon T power 4 by T power 4 minus T0 power 4. This H represents what? Heat transfer rate. Its units are joules per second. It's as simple as that. Sigma A E. So these are the energy emitted from a body between the, say there is a furnace at temperature T, and you are standing, your temperature is actually T0. How the heat will be transferred? Heat will be transferred mostly by the radiation, because of, if the source has very high temperature, then the way of transferring heat is it's like radiation. Now we are going to see Newton's law of cooling. I am mixing the two concepts here. Newton's law of cooling, it's very important. Newton's law of cooling. See what exactly it is, na? If I keep a body of temperature T in the surroundings at an atmosphere whose temperature is T0, what happens? The temperature of this body comes down. cools down. So provided T should be greater than T naught. Okay, this is what cooling means. T should be greater than T naught. After certain time, see, you are getting some disturbance. Please don't mind this time. So I am recording at the night, so that's disturbance because of some external friends. And T, so T greater than T naught. So from here energy is released. Okay, now according to Newton is cooling law, rate of heat transfer is minus dq by dt is equal to K into T minus T naught. So if the temperature difference is more, T minus T naught, see, if I keep very hot body in the surroundings, it cools faster than a little less temperature. If the temperature difference is more and the heat of transfer will be more. Okay, so minus y sin y because heat is getting loosed, matlab it's losing the heat. So dq by dt. So dq is equal to, for a here how much heat will be transferred, if see from here temperature T to intermediate temperature, let's take T prime, how much energy it loses according to heat transfer, Q is equal to ms into delta T. So dq is equal to ms into dt. So if I replace this expression, minus ms dt by dt, why q dq I replaced in the first expression. This is second expression, this is the first expression. It is equal to K into T minus T naught. What is the T? Temperature of the body. So temperature of the body, from where to where it is decreasing? Okay, now we came to the part minus dt by T minus T naught integrations is equal to K by ms integral dt. Okay, integration temperature, say from initial temperature is Ti, it has lost the temperature and it has lost the energy, it has come to a temperature T, let's take. So the integration of this one will be ln T minus T naught, limits are from where to where, Ti to T, it is equal to K by ms integral dt is nothing but T, 0 to T time limits are. Okay, if I substitute here ln T minus T naught by Ti minus T naught. What is T naught? T naught is the temperature of the surrounding. See, whatever object you keep, temperature of the surroundings you cannot change. Can you change the temperature of surrounding by you keep a hot body and try to increase the temperature of surrounding? Generally we don't increase. Surrounding means infinity. Apart from the system, everything else is called surroundings. Surroundings temperature we cannot increase. So T naught as it is remains constant. It is equal to minus K by ms into T. So if I T minus T naught by Ti minus T naught is equal to e power minus K by ms into T. So if we multiply on the other side, T is equal to T naught plus Ti minus T naught into e power minus, so ms by K unit has similar to time, so I am keeping as a time constant tau. Okay, e power minus T by tau, this tau is called time constant, understand? Okay, this is the value for temperature after time T. Okay, temperature of the body after time T, this is a very important relation. Many questions are asked based on this. What is the basic motto? The temperature difference, the rate of heat transfer is proportional to temperature gradient T minus T naught, K into T minus T naught. This K is different from thermal conductivity K we discussed. This is some constant. Okay, so you don't think that this K is equal to the other way K. So this is some constant. Okay, heat conducting constant. Okay, this is the topic is. Thank you.